Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're having some crispy fried noodles. Well, in Vietnamese, Mì Xào Giòn, I think that's how you say it. I'm having it with, take a look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but hopefully you do. So there's prawns, quail eggs, calamari, mushroom, chicken, cauliflower, and the sauce for this, oh, it's amazing. And some coriander or cilantro, I'm not too sure. And I've got some spring rolls on the side. I'm just gonna dump this all over this. Ooh la la. Oh my god. Alright, oh my god, this is massive. And this looks amazing. I'm so hungry. Let's just dig in. Alright, gotta get some of this crispy noodle. Look at that. Get some noodle. Calamari. Alright, first bite. This is gonna be the best bite ever. Wow. The flavour, all the amazing flavour going on right now. Noodles feel nice and hot. This is probably the best dinner I've had all year. And no, I didn't cook this, my mom did, so I gotta say thanks to my mom. All I did was just reheat it. And fried the noodles. Honestly guys, I don't know if I can finish this. This is a lot of food. Let's try this mushroom. Even the mushrooms are yummy. Quail egg. You know, it's a good meal, even when the cauliflower tastes nice. Man, this is amazing. Oh, beautiful. Oh, look at that. Large prawn. Look at the size of the prawn. The only way we can improve this meal if we use a thicker noodle, because it fries much better than this. I think these are the egg noodles, and does seem to fry as well. This was perfectly cooked. So soft and tender. This is the best bit, when you get to the bottom and everything's so saucy. have to say guys, feeling about 85% full. It's 2:25 AM. Actually had dinner earlier, but I was so hungry after my workout. So I thought, why not just smash a massive plate of noodle. One of my favourite as well. I love it when my mum makes it. And honestly guys, this was a lot of food. Because when I was holding onto the plate, it felt close to 3 kilos. And for anyone that doesn't use kilograms, that's about 7 pounds. Maybe 6.5. So yeah, I reckon that was about 3 kilos of food. I mean, who else ate a massive plate of food like this at 2:30, 3 AM? It's kind of crazy thinking about it. Oh man, and I still have to edit this video. Guess I'll be sleeping at what, 4:30 AM. And guys, if you hear any snoring, that's my brother. He sleeps at the normal time. This is the only way to finish it. Pick it up, scoop it in. Oh man. I am so full. Guys, take a look at this plate. That is massive. That's like 2-3 times bigger than my head. I'm actually full.